Imagine you're in a life or death emergency. There's no time to test your blood type, no matching donor in sight. And yet, within seconds, a nurse hooks you up to a bag of universal artificial blood. No compatibility tests, no delays, just as life flowing back into you. Sounds like science fiction? Well, Japan just made it a science fact. Welcome back to naqxplore, where we fuel your curiosity with facts that feel like fiction. Today's story is a real-life medical marvel. Artificial blood that could save millions. So here's what happened. In a groundbreaking announcement, scientists at Nara Medical University in Japan revealed that they've developed a type of artificial red blood cell, and it might just change medicine forever. Their invention is called hemoglobin vesicles. These are tiny artificial sacs that mimic the function of real red blood cells by carrying oxygen throughout the body. This is the same function which our blood cells do. And you know what's the game changer in this invention? They're universal, which means they work for any blood type. No more blood typing. No more searching for donors. No more delays in trauma cases or during disasters. But the question is, how do you make blood in a lab? The Japanese team starts with hemoglobin extracted from expired donated blood, which normally gets discarded. That hemoglobin is then packed inside lipid membranes, forming artificial red cells that are stable, sterile, and oxygen ready. These artificial blood cells don't carry antigens, so the immune system doesn't reject them. They can be stored at room temperature, unlike real blood, which needs refrigeration. And they have a shelf life of up to 2 years, compared to just 42 days for natural blood. It's like the Tesla of transfusions, efficient, futuristic, and ready to disrupt everything we thought we knew. Now, before hospitals stock it, there's a big hurdle, which is human trials, involving healthy volunteers who will receive between 100 to 400 milliliters of the artificial blood. Scientists will be looking closely for any side effects, how well it performs, and how long it lasts in the bloodstream. If it clears all the safety checks, we could be looking at one of the biggest medical revolutions since antibiotics. This isn't just cool science, it's life-saving innovation. Every year, millions of people die due to a lack of compatible blood during emergencies, especially in developing countries, war zones, or after natural disasters. Artificial blood would make blood banks more efficient, help in rural or remote areas, support soldiers and disaster victims, and even enable space travel where storing traditional blood isn't feasible. Now, before we get too excited, a dose of reality is here. Artificial blood has failed many times in the past. Side effects, toxicity, and limited oxygen carrying capacity have plagued earlier versions. But this Japanese approach is different. It doesn't try to replace every function of real blood, they just countered the core one, transporting oxygen. Early lab results look promising, but until clinical trials confirm safety and effectiveness, we'll be holding our collective breath. Well, from anime to artificial blood, Japan continues to blur the lines between science fiction and reality. Will this be the future of medicine? Or just another scientific dead end? We'll be watching closely. Hope you liked the video. Support channel with your likes and subscribe. See you soon with another interesting video.